Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I am part of Informatica Global Customer Support Team. In this presentation, we'll be going through how to create mass ingestion service in data engineering integration. Moving on, today's agenda is what is mass ingestion service overview, how to create mass ingestion service demo. Moving on, what is Mass Ingestion Service? Mass Ingestion Service is an application service in Informatica domain that manages mass ingestion specification. You can configure the mass ingestion specification in mass ingestion tool to ingest the large amounts of data from relational source to Hive or HDFS. The mass ingestion service performs the following task: manages and validates a mass ingestion specification, pushes a mass ingestion job to the Spark engine for processing, monitors the results and statistics of a mass ingestion job, restarts a mass ingestion job. Moving on, mass ingestion service overview. When you create a mass ingestion specification, the mass ingestion service validates and stores the mass ingestion specification in model repository service. Like whenever you create a MI specification, it will store it in the model repository service, which you associate while the time of creation. When you deploy the mass ingestion specification, the mass ingestion service deploys the specification to a data integration service. The data integration service connects to the Hadoop environment. In the Hadoop environment, the Spark engine runs the ingestion jobs configured in mass ingestion specification and injects the data into the target. While the specification runs, the mass ingestion service generates ingestion statistics. After the specification run is complete, the mass ingestion service can restart the ingestion jobs. Moving on, how to create mass ingestion service from the admin console using infacmd mas create service command demo. Let me log into the admin console. Now I am in admin console. We need to go to manage services and nodes. We need to click on domain, new mass ingestion service. You can give any name like my demo. I need to select the license and I need to select the node. Need to click on next. I need to assign it to a model repository service. And we need to pass the username and password. Like you can assign one mass ingestion service to one model repository service. You cannot create two mass ingestion service to the same model repository service. You need to have the HTTPS port and remaining admins you can pass if required. And we need to check this enable service option and you can click on finish. Now it will create the mass ingestion service and it is executing to enable the service. It is trying to create the mass ingestion service now. Once it creates, it will give a service URL through which you can access the mass ingestion tool. Yeah, the mass ingestion service has been created and this is the service URL. You can click on that and you need to give the same username and password. And you can log into the mass ingestion tool. And you can create the same using the mass ingestion service create service command. This is mass ingestion service MI create service command, and you can pause the arguments. You can go through this document for more details. Moving on to the presentation. You can go through these articles for more details. We would love to hear from you on our social media handlers. Please give us valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.